The question says number of moles of KMnO4 that will be needed to react with 1 mole of ferrous sulfide in acidic medium. Reaction is taking place in acidic medium. Okay, and keep in mind ferrous sulfide chemical formula is what? Fe and SO3 is there. Okay, Fe SO3. Okay, first of all we write down the chemical reaction. We have KMnO4. KMnO4 is strong oxidizing agent. KMnO4. Okay, and it is oxidizing ferrous sulfide. It is Fe and SO3 is there. Since the reaction is taking place in acidic medium, KMnO4 will always convert into Mn2 plus is there. Mn2 plus is there. Now pay attention very carefully. If you write the oxidation number, you can see ferrous means it is Fe is present in +2 and sulfite is present in -2 is there. Okay, so you can see since strong oxidizing agent is there, then ferrous will convert into ferrous ion will convert into ferric ion. That is what? Fe3 plus is there undergoing oxidation. And one more thing, this is what sulfite ion SO3. If you calculate oxidation number 3 to 6 minus 2 is there present in +4 oxidation number. Since strong oxidizing agent is there, so there will be increase in oxidation number, means it will convert into SO4 2 minus sulfate ion 4 to 8 minus 2 is there plus 6 oxidation number is there. Increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. Okay, so you can see both the species cation as well as anion both will undergo oxidation reaction, means increase in their oxidation number. So sulfite ion will convert into sulfate ion, SO4 2 minus is there. Very interesting. Okay, now we can balance the charge. Okay, we can balance the charge, but anyway you can see 1 mole of ferrous sulfite is given there, 1 mole is given there, 1 mole is given there. Then we can apply the concept of equivalence. Okay, concept of equivalence, we can say number of equivalence of KMnO4 is equal to number of equivalence of FeSO3. Okay, and then we can answer the question. We have to calculate the number of moles of KMnO4. Number of moles of KMnO4 are to be calculated. Okay, so number of equivalence, and the formula we have number of equivalence is equal to number of equivalence. Number of equivalence is equal to, we have moles multiplied by n factor there. We need to calculate n factor. Equation is ready and we can easily calculate n factor value. Keep in mind, first of all we write down the oxidation number of the same element on both sides of the equation. 4 to 8 potassium is what? +1. Then manganese is present in +7 oxidation number. And factor is what? Difference in oxidation number. Okay, other side manganese is present in +2, this side manganese is present in +7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and factor value is ready 5. Very interesting part. Okay, now we can see in this case iron is undergoing oxidation reaction. Okay, increase in oxidation number is always oxidation. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 electron. Okay, loss of electron is 1 electron. But in case of sulfite ion, 3 to 6 it is present in +4. Sulfur is present, other side sulfur is present in +6 oxidation number. 4 to 8 minus 2 is there, +6 is there. So in this case also you can see there is oxidation and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 electron is there. Okay, so total number of loss of electron, 1 electron is also loss of electron, 2 electron is also loss of electron. Total number of loss of electron 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then n factor value will be 3. Very interesting part. Now we can easily answer this question. Okay, we can easily answer this question. We have the formula number of equivalence number of equivalence of KMnO4 is equal to number of equivalence of this is what Fe ferrous sulfide is FeSO3 there. So in this case mole multiplied by n factor. What is the n factor value? 5 is there for KMnO4. In this case mole, 1 mole is given there in the question, and in this case what is the n factor value? 3 is there. Simplify, we have mole is equal to 3 by 5 is there. If you divide 0.6 will be there, 5 6 30 will be there, 0.6. Okay, so 0.6 moles of KMnO4. Okay, KMnO4 will be participating in the reaction. 0.6, any option is given here. 0.6, A option is there. 0.6, A option is there. So such a wonderful concept we applied, number of equivalence. So for this you need to write down the chemical reaction, then find out the n factor value, apply the formula and get the answer.